Welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve for the value of x in this radical equation. And the given equation is what? X minus root x plus 2 is equal to 4. The first thing we're going to do is to take this 4 to the left hand side, then we take this radical to the right hand side. So this is going to be what? X. When this 4, this is positive, it's going to cross this equality sign. It's going to change to negative 4, which is equal to, and this is negative square root of x plus 2. When it's going to cross this equality sign, it's going to change to what? Positive x plus root of x plus 2. Now the next thing we're going to do is to remove the square root by square both sides of this equation. So we're going to square both the left and the right hand side of the equation, so that this square is going to cancel out the square root. And x minus 4 square is the same as what? X minus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. It means x minus 4 is multiplied itself, which is equal to what? X plus 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to expand this bracket. X multiplied by x is going to give us what? X squared. Then x multiplied by negative 4 is going to give us negative 4x. Then negative 4 multiplied by x is negative 4x. Then negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 is going to give us positive 16, which is equal to x plus 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to combine the like term. We have x to power 2 here. Negative 4x, negative 4x is going to be what? Negative 8x. Then we have x here. When this x cross this equality sign, it's going to change to negative x. Then we have 16, positive 16. And when these 2 cross to the other side, it's going to change to a negative 2, which is equal to 0. So now we can add this together because they have the same variable. So we have x squared. Negative 8x, negative x is going to give us negative 9x. Then positive 16 minus 2 is going to give us a positive 14, which is equal to 0. What do we notice here? We notice that this is quadratic equation because the highest power of 2 here, of x here, is 2. We have different methods of solving quadratic equation. So we're going to use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. And in factorization method, we're going to look for two numbers. When we multiply that two numbers, we get this constant here, 14. Then when we add that two numbers, we're going to get the coefficient of 9 of x here, which is minus 9. And when we add 7 and 2, it's going to give us 9. And if you multiply, it's going to give us 14. But we are looking for negative 9. So but when we put negative 7 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give us positive 14. Then negative 7 plus negative 2 is going to give us negative 9. So that two number is what? Negative 7 and negative 2. Then we open two brackets, then equate it to 0. We write x here. The first number is what? Negative 7, then x. The second number is negative 2. And when two terms is multiplied each other and is equal to 0, is either one of them, the first one, x minus 7 is equal to 0, or the second bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we're going to solve for the value of x. First of all, we add 7 to both sides of this equation. When we add 7, the 7 is going to cancel 7. This place will remain x, which is equal to, then 0 plus 7 is the same as 7. So x is equal to 7. This is s1. And the second value of x, which is s2, we add 2 to both sides. Or we take this 2 to the other side, is going to change to what? Positive 2. So therefore, x1 is equal to 7 and x2 is equal to 2. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.